What is up, everybody? How's it going? So this is going to be why personally I like World Superbike better than Motogp. And if you like these videos, again, like the little thing just said, like, share, subscribe. It really helps the channel, algorithms, and all that kind of fun stuff. So yeah, make sure to do it. Leave a comment down below, and let's have a little conversation. But into the real thing. Later in this video, you're going to see the burnout from Top Rack Rides Guy Lioglu. Whatever, Top Rack, whatever. And personally, I like World Superbike way better than MotoGP, just on the pure fact of like the actual competition of it. When you see the how do I want to say this? The tight racing, I guess you'd want to call it. Even the last two races, the last race, race 1, race 2, where Top Rack, all he had to do was finish second. There was no need to fight Jonathan Rea. He could have let him run away and be 40 seconds ahead and just finish second. Nope. Between him, Rea, Redding, and 4 or 5 other guys, they were all within a second of each other, passing each other in corners in wet weather. Like, it was tight. I mean, bumping. It wasn't just nice down the straight, passing, brake, and then you're gone. No, it was tight block passes, bumping into each other, like rubbing. It was competitive racing. Whereas you have MotoGP, where basically you get 4 or 5 passes a race, it's at the beginning, and then nothing else happens. That's me. I understand that MotoGP is the pinnacle. It's the the fastest bikes, the biggest engines, whatever you want to call it, the most notable side of motorcycle racing. But I find it just kind of boring, the fact that you either pass on a straight or that's it. And then once you get to like lap 5 or 6, maybe halfway through the race, nothing else happens. It's just, as long as somebody doesn't fall, they don't make a big mistake, there's no other passing. Whereas World Superbike, you have racing, competitive, passes, block passes, rubbing, just people that don't need, like that. Like I said before, he didn't even need to win, but the competitive side of it was, nope, I'm going to win, or I'm going to race as hard as I possibly can the whole round. The whole race, it didn't matter. And that's what I like about World Superbike. One is the fact that it's the closest to the bikes that you can buy off the street. Obviously they've got a bunch of trick parts and everything, but they all sound the same or different. They all look different. They are, to me, the better side of racing. It's maybe a little bit slower. It may not have, the most powerful engines in the world, but when it's closer racing with more passing, you have your top 2 competitors bumping and swapping places every 2 or 3 corners. Like, that to me is more exciting because it's fun. But I don't know. Tell me what you think below. Are you a MotoGP fan over World Superbike, or do you like Moto America or ASBK or something like that else? Maybe even motocross. I don't know. Just comment down below and tell me what you think, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.